This is going to blow your mind. Are you ready to master difficult conversations? Join our 2-day workshop at the Radisson Hotel, Brunei, on February 17th, 18. Led by experts Rozana and Davidson Abhishekam, will equip you with structured techniques to tackle tough conversations head-on. Discover the transformative state model for persuasive communication, boost your emotional intelligence, and gain hands-on experience through real-life role-playing scenarios. Perfect for managers, HR pros, and team leads. Don't miss out. Exclusive group pricing available. Secure your spot today and master the art of tactful communication. Transform conversations, transform results. See you there.